night. Found a photograph of us.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today I am in my dining room and I am going to be showing you guys how I am finishing up all my decorating in the space. I'm going to be decorating this beautiful dresser and also my little makeshift shelf. I was able to fix it and you'll actually see me fixing it in the video, and just adding some winter touches to it. Then I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the dining room. It's very simple, very I guess understated, I don't know, but I wanted to just take you guys along as I finish up this dining room for the winter season.
Without cares and worn out clothes, doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road.
So if you can remember in my thrifting video last week, I thrifted these stems and I got the whole thing, including a canister for $4 or $5, something like that. And I'm going to now use them in my winterscape. And you can thrift your home decor, you guys, and I'm telling you, it looked so beautiful. I just love the way that it turned out. It is full and it pops that green, that winter, vase with the pine cones and all the little greenery. It's just so beautiful. Thrift your home decor. Not everything you have to thrift, but definitely you should go to the thrift stores, because you can always find decor that they have in the major box stores. Some majority of the time that's where it ends up, and for way less than what you would pay at retail price. So now I am here fixing my little makeshift shelf and I am going to add some simple touches to this shelf. And I just love how simple it is, but it also makes a statement. Also, the picture here that I'm holding up is not the picture that you're going to see in the tour. I filmed the latter part of the video. I filmed it first, and then I filmed the first part of the video later on in the day. So the picture that I'm putting in there now is what's actually in there now, but the picture that you're going to see in the tour, which is what I just took out of the frame, that was up there for Christmas on my console table in my foyer. So not only do I thrift my home decor, but I also change around my decor, from room to room, because it adds a freshness to the seasonal decor that you're adding to the new spaces.
Remember where we headed that night? We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top, but we were clever not to take it too far. Though it's hard not getting tempted, calling you up to see how you've been. Cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. It's funny how times roll by. Is it 12 years since last time? Where'd you go? What's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? I never see you anymore. I can't remember what we did that day. We were blowing off steam in Paris, but I wanted to stay, cause I know how it felt when we raised hell. I won't forget that. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted, calling you up to see how you've been. Cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. time, Friday night, found a photograph of us. I can't remember what we did that time. We were spending one night in Venice. It just slipped my mind. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far. Though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been. Cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Way back then.
So it is full-blown winter, you guys. And this is what it looks like outside of my window, and it is absolutely beautiful, but it is super cold outside. So I am so glad to be filming this for you guys because it feels so cozy and warm inside, and I just love the way how everything turned out, and super excited about just newness and freshness and just the freshness of the season. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for joining me today. I will see you in the next episode. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Bye.